Robica Media, the real imaging. Don't be a pirate in life. A pirate talks way too much but can't fly high, but an eagle is silent. He has the willpower to touch the sky. He has the 7 mentality, the way we can learn from the eagle. An eagle flies alone at high altitude. Eagles don't fly with sparrow, ravens, and other small birds. They stay away from narrow-minded people, those that bring you down. Eagles fly with eagles. There's a saying that goes like this: people you hang around with every dwelling determine the person you become. Keep good company. 2. Eagles have vision. They have the ability to focus on something as far as 5 kilometers away. No matter what the obstacle, the eagle will not move the focus from the prey until he grabs it. Have a vision. Remain focused in your life. No matter what the obstacles and challenges you may face, don't give up and you will succeed. 3. Eagles are fearless. An eagle will never surrender to the size or strength of its prey. It always gives a fight to win its prey or even the territory. No matter what the size or big your problem are, don't give up. Instead, face it. Successful people are fearless. They face problem head on. 4. Eagles are tenacious. Eagles love storm. When crowds gather, the eagles get excited. The eagles use the storm wind to lift itself high. Once it finds a weed on the storm, the eagles use the raging storm to lift above the crowds. This gives the eagles an opportunity to glide and rest its wings. In the meantime, other birds hide in the branches and leaves on the tree. Achievers are not afraid of challenges. Rather, they use them profitably. 5. Eagles never eat dead things. Eagles never eat dead meat. In other words, an eagle does not scavenge. It only eats the meat from the prey it kills itself. Do not rely on your past success. Keep looking for new frontiers to conquer. Leave your past when it belongs in the past. Eagles prepare for training. They remove the feathers and the soft grass in the nest so that they can hang on and comfortable in the preparation for flying, and eventually they fly when it becomes too unbearable to stay in the nest. Leave your comfortable zone. There is no growth there. Last but not least, 7. Eagles possess vitality. When the eagles grow old, his feathers become weak and cannot take it faster and as high as they should. This makes him weak and could make him die, so it retires to a place away in the mountains. And while there, he plucks out the weak feathers on his body. He breaks its beaks and his claws against the rock, and it is completely bare. A very blunt and painful process. Then he stays in the hiding place, and he has grown now new feathers. Now break and crows, and then comes out flying higher than ever before. We occasionally need to shed off old habits, no matter how difficult. Things that burden us or add value to our lives should be let go of. Thanks for watching the video. Robica Media.